Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, for today's video, I'm just gonna stand here because today's a painting day and I don't want to get any paint on my chair if I have any paint on me. But, you guys, I got some mail. I got 2 more birthday gifts in the mail, one from Moddy and one from Lisa of Lisa Loves Bags. They're 2 of my best YouTube friends and they both sent me a birthday gift and I'm super excited and I just had to drop everything, hop on here and do a unboxing for you guys. So I'm excited and if you want to see what they sent me, stick around. Alright, so I have cut off our addresses, well, but I wanted to show you this. It says Yota Birthday Girl Lemon. Alright, so I'm going to go with Lisa's gift first because her box was on top and see what she sent me. She did send me a message and told me she sent me a little birthday gift. She is such a thoughtful person, such a great friend, and hopefully at some point this year, Keith and I, we've been talking about going to Hawaii, and Lisa lives in Hawaii, and definitely if we do get to go to Hawaii, I will want to spend some time with Lisa and hopefully maybe do a video together and just get to know each other in person. I feel like I know her so well already. We've been friends for a really long time and she is just such a wonderful person. And I will link her channel in the description box, you guys. She has the most amazing collection ever. Her backdrop is amazing. Okay, so she sent me a card. Let me see. Oh, she's so fancy. Lisa is so fancy, okay? The little pineapple. She's just so fancy. Oh, and we're twins because everything, we like all the same stuff. And she said, happy birthday. I can't wait to see you, my sweet twin. Love, Lisa. I love you, Lisa. You are just an amazing person and I just can't wait to meet you in person. And like I was saying, hopefully Keith and I, we've talked about possibly going to Hawaii because we really don't want to travel outside the United States at all this year. So hopefully I'll be able to go to Hawaii at some point. Okay, so there's a bag in here. We all know where this comes from. And Lisa, she collects Starbucks mugs. Okay, so here's the box. Oh yes, girl. She sent me some chocolate macadamia roasted with a chocolate macadamia coffee. Oh my gosh. I am such a coffee snob, you guys. This is right down my alley. Oh my gosh. Okay. When this video's over, it's that time of day I need a little pick-me-up. I'm about to try that. I'm so excited. Oh, Lisa, I kind of knew what it was. I'm so excited. I love Lisa. All right. Why does this package, it smells so good. It smells like chocolate macadamia. Oh, yes. All right. I can't wait to see it. She's got it wrapped nice. You guys, the last time I came from Greece, I finally got a mug with my name on it, and I broke it before I got it home. Oh, Lisa, I love it. Thank you. Thank you, Lisa. Oh my gosh. I always have a cup in my hand. This is beautiful. With the Hawaii flowers from Starbucks. Thank you so much, Lisa. Love you, my twin. I know one thing. I was just thinking, I think it's been about 12, maybe 13 years since I've been to Hawaii. I've only been once. Keith has been several times. It is about time that we come to Hawaii, right, Lisa? So hopefully we've got a lot packed, a lot planned for the summer, but hopefully toward the end of the year, I hope. Or no later than spring. I really need to get there because Lisa and I, we need to go shopping. We need to go shopping. From Moddy, and I have just opened this part. I have no idea what's inside. She's got a birthday coming up too. All right. Ooh, what? What? I feel a theme going on. Okay. Moddy brought me back some chocolate covered macadamia and I can eat this with this in my new cup. Moddy just got back from Hawaii. Now, I don't know if Moddy and Lisa know each other, but they need to. Ah, it's a theme. It's, you know what? I think it's a sign. I think it means I seriously need to go to Hawaii this year. Okay, so she got me some yummy chocolates. She never said if I have to share. Do I have to share? Okay. Oh, what is this? Holiday crystal covered box. What is this? Ooh, okay. I'm going to list Lisa and Moddy's channels in the description box. If you guys do not know them, you need to start watching them. Moddy also has an amazing collection. I'm telling you, I don't think there's anything that she doesn't have in the way of an SLG. And she's a lot like me. When she buys something and she loves it, oh wow, she normally gets another color. I usually try to cut it off at 2, but not Moddy. She goes all of the way. Okay, wait, let me undo this before you guys see. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. You guys, it is the most beautiful, and I'm looking at it on the monitor, the most beautiful color red. Ah! It's a Hershey Kiss in this beautiful crystal bowl with a lid. Oh my gosh. Okay, my bedroom is gray. This would be gorgeous on my dresser. Look at that. And put my little trinkets inside. Moddy, I love it. This is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Ah, I love it. Okay. Wow. Wow, I love that. Whew. Okay. Absolutely beautiful. That's so different. I've never seen anything like it. Oh, there's something else in. Moddy. Oh my God. Okay, let me open it. Let me open it before I show it to you. She sends me the best stuff. How many times have I said on this channel that I have the best friends ever? I honestly do not know what I have ever done to deserve such wonderful friends. You guys, really, I think this has been the best birthday of my entire life. Look at this. Oh my gosh, the little Louis Vuitton little mouse. Is it a little mouse? It's so cute. To put, is this an ear pod holder? I believe that it is. And it could be just a cute little charm for my bag. Well, okay. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. Adorable. Adorable. Okay. Let's see. There's something else in here. Oh, here's my card. It says happy birthday, best of wishes, today and always. XOXO Moddy. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. She's such a beautiful person inside and out. And for the longest, I pronounced her name Moddy, but it's Moddy. I was pronouncing it the Greek way. But it's Moddy. Moddy. That's a beautiful name, and she's a beautiful girl. All right. She also sent me, a perfume sample. You guys, I can't read. Where are my glasses? Some kind of a perfume sample, a YSL perfume sample. Thank you very much. I love to try out new perfumes. Ooh. Okay, when I get my glasses, when I find my glasses, I will see. Wow, that's a beautiful scent. Beautiful scent. Okay, I'll have to get my glasses and see what that is. Oh, here it is. Okay, here it is. It must have fallen out of the little pack. But there it is. I guess that's the name of it. You know what? This is a have-to scent, girl. Is this one of your favorite scents? Because this smells so clean. It's not overpowering at all. It's a very clean, kind of a powdery, fresh scent. I'm not good at describing things like that, but that's what I would say. You guys are the best. I love you guys. I don't deserve it. I don't deserve such generosity. I really don't. I'm telling you, I don't know what I've ever done to deserve such wonderful friends, such wonderful subscribers. I'm so excited about the future of my channel. There was a while there that I wouldn't say almost gave it up, but I thought about it because it's a lot of work and I was a little frustrated with it. But you know what? I decided just to have fun with it and just keep going, and I feel rejuvenated. It's been the best birthday ever, you guys, and I appreciate everything that you guys sent me. I don't expect gifts. I appreciate all of the love, all of the birthday wishes. I got so many birthday wishes from you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, and every one of them is read and every one of them is appreciated. And I just wanted to tell you guys, I love you guys so much. Put that down. Thank you so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye, everybody.